Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself stuck in your head, going over and over the same thoughts, today's video is for you. We're talking about how to stop overthinking and reclaim control over your mind in just a few simple ways. The first thing you need to do is recognize what triggers your overthinking. Is it a specific situation, a person, or a recurring worry? Overthinking is often sparked by stress, fear, or uncertainty. By identifying the cause, you can start to address it directly and avoid getting caught off guard. Overthinking happens when we get stuck in a loop of endless what ifs. To break this cycle, try asking yourself, what's the worst that could happen? Often, our fears are blown out of proportion. Challenge your thoughts by grounding them in reality. You can also ask, is this thought serving me? If it's not, let it go. Refocus on something productive or calming instead. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for stopping overthinking. When you're fully present in the moment, it's harder to get lost in your thoughts. Take a few minutes each day to breathe deeply, meditate, or even just focus on your surroundings. Try the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Name 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you taste. This can instantly bring you back to the present and calm your mind. Another way to stop overthinking is by setting time limits. Give yourself permission to think about a problem, but only for a set amount of time. For example, give yourself 10 minutes to focus on a worry. Once the timer goes off, move on. This helps you take control of your thoughts instead of letting them spiral out of control. Overthinking often comes from feeling stuck. Taking action, even in small steps, helps break the mental paralysis. Whether it's making a phone call, writing down your thoughts, or taking a walk, doing something can clear the fog. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be a step forward. So, those are some simple ways to stop overthinking. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Share your thoughts on what works for you to stop overthinking in the comments below. See you next time.